express it in simplest form without brackets. Let's remember ab to the n is a to the n, b to the n, and a over b to the n is a to the n over b to the n. So for this first one, that's going to be 5 squared b squared, which means 5 squared times b squared, of course. 5 times 5 is 25. And then we have b squared. For this one here, we're going to have 3x all squared over y squared. That's using this law just here. And then we can use the top one with the numbers and letters on the top and have 3 squared times x squared over y squared. 3 squared is 9, so 9x squared over y squared. Of course, you don't need the intermediate steps. Once you're really used to these laws, you would just say that's going to be 9x squared over y squared. Now with this next one, let's remember what effect the negative index has on a fraction. It's going to turn it upside down. That's just the negative. We still have the squared to deal with. That's going to be y squared over 3x squared. But we know on the bottom there that that is 3 squared times x squared. And so we have y squared over 9x squared. And then finally here, once again, we've got a negative. That's going to turn the fraction upside down. So we have 4y z squared over 3x cubed. And it's still squared because we only use the negative to turn it upside down. Now let's just think that squared applies to everything inside. So the 4, when we square that, we're going to get 16. The y, when we square it, is going to be squared. We've got to square the z squared. The power of a power law tells us we get z to the power 4. On the bottom, the 3 needs to be squared. That's 9. And then the x cubed needs to be squared. Power of a power law again gives us x to the power 6.